Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and on this video I will show you how you can enable two-factor authentication in your Cloudflare account and secure your Cloudflare account. So for this you have to log into your Cloudflare dashboard and here click on the profile icon. Now you have to click on the My Profile section and here you will see the general options. Now select the authentication option. So here you will see these two options. One is to change the password and second one is to two-factor authentication. So just click on the setup icon. You can either use a security key to authenticate your account or you can use a mobile app. So for this you will use the Google Authenticator app, but you can use any other authenticator app like Microsoft Authentication or 2FA Authentication, etc. So for this you have to install this app on your smartphone and then you will see a interface like this. So you have to click on the scan a QR code. Now let me just go to the Cloudflare and click on add button in the mobile authentication. Now you will see the QR code. Now just scan the QR code from your smartphone. So let me just scan this. Now after scanning this QR code you will see a authenticator code like this. So let me just show you. So here you will see the authentication code like this. So it will change every 30 seconds. So let me just enter the authentication code here. Now you have to enter the Cloudflare password, then click on next. Now you have to again enter the Cloudflare password. So just click on next. Now you will see some backup code. So you can download this backup code to your computer. So in case if you don't have access to the two-factor authentication app or if any incident occurred, then you can use the backup code to log into your Cloudflare account. So just download this code, then click on next. Now click on next. Now the two-factor authentication is enabled on your Cloudflare account. So let's test this. So let me just click on logout. Now let's log in the Cloudflare again. So whenever you log into your Cloudflare account, it will ask you to enter the two-factor authentication code. So simply you have to go to the Google Authenticator app and then you have to copy the two-factor code here. So let me just paste the two-factor code. Now click on login. And as you can see, we are now logged into the Cloudflare dashboard. So in this way you can protect your Cloudflare account using a two-factor authentication. I hope you got the idea how to enable two-factor authentication in Cloudflare. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to know more about Cloudflare, then you can watch this video. Here I have explained how to set up Cloudflare in your website. And if this video helped, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.